So today we're going to learn how to make a box and whisker plot. And basically a box and whisker plot is a graph that represents data using medians. So if you remember, the median is the number in the middle. And if there's two numbers in the middle, you add them up and divide by 2. So basically this is separated into 4 quartiles, and quartiles are basically the medians of the medians, which I will show you in a second. You use box and whisker plots to determine percentages of your data. So let's do this one together. So on your notes, everything that I'm writing, make sure you write with me. So step 1 is you take your data and you order it least to greatest. Okay, so let's do this together. So we have, I'm just going to cross these out as I'm going. So it looks like 3, and then 7, and then 2 8s. Okay, so make sure you're writing this with me. And then looks like 10. And there's an 11, no 12s, there's a 13, okay, 14, 15, looks like there's 2 of those, 16, no 17, oh, nope, there is a 17, okay, 18, 2 of those, so 2 18s, 19, and 2 20s. Okay, so my first step was to order the data least to greatest. Now, find the median. So to find the median, you're crossing out, finding the number in the middle. So cross one out on both sides to get to the middle. So make sure you're doing this with me. Okay, so I'm getting that the median is 15, so I'll write that here. Now, find the lower quartile. That means find the median to the left of the median. So here's the median. We're going to cross out left and right over here. So I cross in the opposite direction, so it looks like an X when I'm done, so I don't get confused here. So cross out 1 on this side, 1 on this side, 1 on this side, 1 on this side, so forth. This time we have 2 numbers in the middle, so you add them up and divide by 2. So 8 plus 10 is 18, divided by 2 is 9. So my median to the left, which is called the lower quartile, is 9. Now you want to find the upper quartile, which is the median to the right. So we're going to go to the right of our median, do the same thing, cross out till we get to the middle. There are 2 numbers in the middle, but they're the same exact number. So that means that our upper quartile, or the median to the right, is going to be 18. Find your least and greatest number, so 3 and 20. So these 5 numbers that we just found are called the 5-number summary, which you need these 5 numbers in order to create a box and whisker plot. Okay, so let me show you how to make one. So make sure you're doing this with me. So you draw a number line and you number it from your smallest number to your biggest number. So our smallest number is 3. Our biggest number is 20. So every number in between. So 4, 5, 6, and then you do it too all the way up to 20. Ooh, I'm going to run out of room. 15, 16, I'll cross that out. 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so hopefully you didn't write as big as me. So now what you do is you take your 5-number summary, which are these 5 numbers that we found. So your median, your lower quartile, which is the median to the left, your upper quartile, which is your median to the right, and then your smallest and biggest number, and you put a vertical line over it. So I'm going to put a vertical line over the 3 and over the 20. I'm going to put one over the 15, over the 9, over the 18, and now I have a vertical line over all 5 of my numbers. All right, start at the one all the way to the left, draw a line from the middle to the next line. Okay, that's called a whisker. You're going to do the same thing on the right side. Find the furthest line to the right, start in the middle, draw it to the first line you bump into. Then we're going to make the box. So the 3 that are left in the middle, draw a line across the top, a line across the bottom connecting it. That is called a box and whisker plot. This is showing that this is the median, the largest number, the median to the right, the upper quartile, the median to the left, the lower quartile, the smallest number. Okay, so we're going to practice making these, and then I'll explain to you how to interpret them.